Understanding more on this story, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but sometimes confusing phrase you might encounter in news reports or articles. More on this story. It's a phrase that holds a lot of meaning, and understanding it can significantly enhance your comprehension of English media. So, let's break it down together and make it as clear as possible. More on this story is a phrase used by journalists and news outlets to indicate that additional information, details, or related content about a particular news story is available. It's like a pointer or a signpost, guiding you to deeper insights or further developments related to the topic at hand. When you see or hear more on this story, it's an invitation to explore the subject further. It could lead you to related articles, videos, interviews, or analyses that enrich your understanding of the initial news piece. Understanding more on this story is crucial for a few reasons. Context. It helps you grasp the broader context of a news story, going beyond the surface to understand the background, implications, and related events. Depth. It encourages deeper engagement with the topic, promoting a more informed and nuanced perspective. Continuity. News stories often develop over time. This phrase alerts you to the latest updates or ongoing coverage, keeping you informed about new developments. 1. Active engagement. When you come across this phrase, take it as a cue to actively seek out more information. It's a great practice for improving reading or listening skills in English. 2. Critical thinking. Use it as an opportunity to practice critical thinking. By exploring more on a story, you can analyze different viewpoints and understand the complexities of news topics. 3. Discussion starter. This phrase can serve as a perfect starter for discussions in English study groups or language exchange sessions. Share what you found with peers and discuss the various aspects of the story. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and significance of more on this story. Remember, engaging with this phrase not only helps you improve your English comprehension but also deepens your understanding of global events and stories. So, the next time you see it, dive in and see where it takes you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content soon. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.